Minecraft gamers, it is Panda here. Welcome back to the Minecraft video. And for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys actually how to use the /give command. And that is the /give command is actually pretty easy. It is actually for me the third easiest command of all time in Minecraft. And /give is, of course, actually one of the most used commands in Minecraft. And yeah, without further ado, let's go right into the video. And yeah, as you have may not noticed, I don't have controls in here, and I mean by that is it's not really seen. It's because I have a mod pack installed and it's a resource, and I activated it as a global resource pack. So of course, yeah, the controls and even the settings, the menu, and the chat is not in the top of my screen. So yeah, but of course I can still control it. But sometimes I might be like I click the wrong button, but it's okay. So how do you actually use the /give? Of course, you can use the /give command in two methods. The first one is in the chat menu in here. So in MCPE, of course, you can see it on top. Of course, I am also using MCPE, and it's just a mod. So again, if you are MCPE, you can see it on top. Of course, if you are in Bedrock Edition, you can just like select T. Was it? Yeah. In Java Edition, you can of course click the T in your keyboard, so that of course the chat menu will pop up. So and the second method is by using a command block. Now, of course, the first, I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to do it in chat first. So, the first thing, of course, you want to do is click the chat menu or just click T in your keyboard. So, of course, when you're again in this MCBE, it's on top of your screen. So, after clicking it, you will be directed in here, and just click this chat box, of course. So, the first thing you want to actually type is /. Because when you type /, it will actually give you all the commands. Well, not really in your screen, but you can type like help or list, so that of course you will have the commands in your screen or in the chat. So of course you can just type give without actually typing /. So again, the / is important. So after actually typing /, of course you have to type the give. Give. Just like so. And as you can see, these things will pop up in your screen. As you can see, at A, at E, at P, at R, at S, pan26908, item name, etc., etc. So the main thing that actually people use is of course the @p. Now, the next thing that you actually want to do or type is of course after typing /give, you want to go space, and then in here the sides here that you see the @a. These are the things that you actually need to type. Well, not really all. You have just to pick one. Well, let me explain. The @a is if for example you are in multiplayer or you have your own server. If you type /give space and then @a, it will give all the players the item that you want. If @e, well, @e all entities, which mean mobs. Well, I don't think, and I haven't really tried it, but I don't think that you can give mobs item. But yeah. And I don't think it will just pop up in mobs. I don't really know. So the @p is the closest player. For example, you. It will give the item to you because you are the closest player in the command. Our random player, again, if you're going in multiplayer, you can just put @r, which means it will give a random player the item that you want. @s, of course, yourself. @s is self, R is random, P is close player, E entities, and A all players. And you can also just put your name or the for example, you are again in multiplayer and you want to give it to a specific player. Example, Rolf, my main. So you can just put Rolf in there. So again, I'm just gonna be putting @p because it's still gonna be giving it to me because I'm the closest player. And then after putting @p, you actually just want to space, and then these things will pop up. Now these things are the items that you actually can pick that will be given to you. For example, in here you will have to put the things or the item that you actually want to be given to. For example, apple. There you go, and it will pop up all items with apple in the name will pop up. Oh, ow! What is that? Ow! Okay, if you heard that, well, sorry about that. I don't know what was that. Okay, okay, now it's fixed. All right. So, for example, you want like iron. What is that? All right. God damn, that is loud. All right. What is that? There, it's fixed. Is it fixed? Is it fixed? Yeah, it's fixed. So, alright. So again, for example, you would want like iron block. So you would put iron, and then don't forget the underscore, because if you like, for example, you would want iron space block, that will not actually work. Wait, did I just? Never mind. Never mind that. I hope you didn't hear that. So after putting actually iron, you put if your item that you want has a space in it. So for example, iron block, you will want to put instead of typing space or clicking space, you want to click the underscore here just like so, and then put the block in there so that it will do that. So the after actually picking the item that you want to click space, and the now this is the how much you actually want. For example, you want one, it will just give you one iron block. Okay. Alright. So for example, give @peak like command block, and then like 64 or like 500. It will give you 500 command blocks, just like so. And let me just actually remove those, and yeah, that's basically how you actually do or use the /give command in the chat menu. Now for actually the command block, of course, I already taught you how to actually get a command block. So you're going to go to the chat menu and then /give @p @p command underscore block, just like so. And yeah, it will just give you command blocks. You can see I have already 2 now. So yeah, so it's actually the same thing in when using the command block. So but there are the added things. So in command blocks, So you just want to click it just like so. Then in the command input, you can just type give without the slash. Of course, in the chat menu, you will have to use slash, but in this command, in the command block, you can just type give without using the slash, and that comes with every every command that is, of course, that you can use in Minecraft. So give at p. As you can see, there is also at self, at p, at r, at a, at e in here. So yeah. So you can also, of course, use also your specific players like that. It just didn't pop up in here. It's just not in here. So give space at p, and again the item that you want. For example, I want like, what do I want? Like an anvil or something, or like a netherite sword, just like so. And after clicking space, now this is the amount that you want. Now, for example, you want 1. So yeah, it will give you 1. Just put a lever in there, just like so, and just click it, and yeah, it will just give you the netherite sword. So if you just click it and just put repeat and activate it, it will just give you netherite repeatedly. And yeah, and if you actually click that and put it on always active, it will just always, and I mean always, just give you netherite sword. Oh, okay, destroy that. Alright, it is giving. Alright, it is lagging. It is lagging my. Okay. Alright, so let me actually put the command block again. So just like so, and then after clicking it again, you have to put give at p, like anvil, and then now this is the thing. Okay, let me actually type netherite sword. Now this is the thing. For example, you put space, and then what? For example, you put 1 in there, and then you can after clicking space again, you can actually put the number or the data of the item that you actually want to give. For example, the data of the block is just 1. Now the data is, I guess, like the durability, but yeah, you can also use the data like in different items, not only in some armor or some tools or swords. You can use it in different types. But yeah, so if you actually do that, my guess is it will give you, right? Yeah. Oh, well, not really. The durability will be 1. It will just be so that the data is like, for example, it will be -1. Is it? Yeah, I guess. So if you actually put like, let me see, 200. And yeah, as you can see, I don't know why it doesn't show you in here, but it just shows you when you open your inventory. I don't know stuff about that, but what I know is it's data. So yeah, that's actually pretty much it. That's actually how you use the /give command in MCPE, MCBE, and Java Edition. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course, it has been Pampu, and I'm out. Goodbye.